Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and in this video I am solving math examination, that means mathematics admission test. What is that examination? This is the test for those students who are applying mathematics and computer science or both in the Imperial College, University of Warwick or Oxford University. So this is basically admission test for those university. So today I am solving that paper previous year solution and recent past paper solution also. So if you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply individually through WhatsApp. Already all you all know, Dr. Sourav's class is the best coaching institution for any mathematics related examination. So if you want to preparing from our side, first don't waste time, because in math examination we need to first know the approach how to solve this question in tricky way. So if you want to take admission from our side, please call this number and don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav's class and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav's class. So let's move on with question number D. What will say this question D? This question will ask how many distinct real solutions of x are there in the question in this equation. So how to solve that question? So square. If the square transposition inside, that means root 4. Yes or no? So that can be represented as plus minus 2. So this equation can be represented as in that way also. X square minus 1 whole square minus 2 whole square minus 3. Sorry. Okay, not bracket. Minus 3 equals to plus 2 or minus 2. Okay. So that can be represented as, if 3 will transpositioning inside, changing inside, that minus 3 will be plus 3 on both these two numbers. That means x square minus 1 whole square minus 2 whole square, that is equals to 2 plus 3, that means 5, or minus 2 plus 3, that means minus 1, sorry, plus 1. Okay, so and if you then this square changing inside, then it can be again root. So root 5 means only root 5. So x square minus 1 whole square minus 2, that can be represented as in that way, root 5 or minus root 5 or minus root 1, that means only minus 1, and only root 1 or what 1, and this can be represented as x square minus 1 whole square, that is uh, what, that is x square minus 1 whole square, that is 2 will changing inside, that means 2 plus root 5 or 2 minus root 5 or 2 minus 1 plus 2, that means or 1, and 1 plus 2 means or 3. Okay, so after that x square minus 1, this square again changes side, this side means positive roots, that means 2 plus root 5 or what, or minus 2 plus root 5 or what, 1 or minus 1 or just wait, minus 1 or root 3 or minus root 3. Okay, so x square means what, 1 plus 1 will changing aside, that means 1 plus 2 plus root 5 or 1 minus 2 plus root 5 or 2, 1 plus 1 means 2 or minus 1 plus 1 means or 0, and minus root 3 plus 1 or 1 plus root 3 or minus root 3 plus 1 means 1 minus root 3. So here we have used the factor that 2 minus root 5 always less than 0, because the value of root 5 always greater than 2, so this result will less than 0. And now we know that the 2 plus root 5, root under 2 plus root 5 is greater than root 2 greater than 1, so 1 minus 1 minus root 2 plus root 5, root 2 plus root 5 is very negative, is very negative. Okay, so also 1 minus root 3, also 1 minus root 3 is negative. And the number real solutions, therefore how many solutions? Total 7 solutions. Okay, so 2 from each positive value x square, from 1 from 0 solution, and 2 from each positive value of x square and 1 from 0 solution. Okay, so total number of solutions are what? That is 7 number of solutions. So option C will be the correct option for that. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. Thank you. We will meet you next session soon. Goodbye.